Yes guys, so today I am going to unbox this new Apple charger which I have purchased. So this is one very good one Apple chargers. I have faced many problems that many other chargers, local charger I have purchased but that were not so good. So I have purchased this. It is very good one. So I will be unboxing this Apple charger. So be with me in this video and don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel Technical Sudip. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, then do subscribe our YouTube channel and like our video, which gives us motivation. So as we compare with the local brand, we will not get this sorts of packaging, but it is good one packaged. So this is what we get. So this is what we get. So this is small unboxing. So I had purchased, so I want to share these things with you. If you are searching for better charging and data sharing data cable, you can purchase this Beyond charger and data cable. So the length is this much. It comes in spiral shape. So this is, you get the mobile charging port, and this is where you connect with the charger holder or in the PC. So guys, this was the unboxing, a small unboxing of this Apple data cable. So hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like our video and share and comment below what types of video will you want from tech community. So bye bye for today.